T-minus 10.
In our specialized world, it's not possible to understand everything that is being done in research and science. But TED is a resource for everybody to see what's going on.
I think TED is a great platform for driving conversations. That's what it is for.
It's really fun to watch a lot of talks, and there's a lot of very interesting things there. So you can sit back, browse a few, and get your micro slots of culture and knowledge.
It happens quite frequently that someone sends me a TED talk and tells me, wow, this is really cool, you should really look at this.
If you think today how communication, which is the economic essence of today's century, is spread, it's through videos. And if you think of the way how you communicate, it's through speech. And so speech and videos at its best is TED. There's nothing else.
When I first started to look at some TED speeches a few years ago, probably 2-3 years ago, I found that they were very inspiring.
What actually is that each TED Talk is the beginning of a process where people get engaged with them or not get engaged with them, and then build on that, build on the project they're talking about, and hope to bring it somewhere.
The great thing about TEDx is taking this conversation to local contexts all over the world. So replicating the same experiment, but allowing local voices to have a say in it. And I think this is amazing.
But the real reason that I came was because of the fact that I might be able to show somebody else who's struggling that if you believe in what you're doing enough and you keep failing, that eventually you should succeed.
People that you normally didn't get to listen to, that suddenly had their space on the internet, and they had their time to explain their philosophy, their ideas, their passions.
It really basically inspires, I think, and then gives ideas and also makes people being less afraid because there are all these different kind of stories.